going on, guys? Today we are dissecting a motor. We are taking apart the EJ20G to see if it's actually closed deck or not. I have always thought it was. The whole time my multiple friends have, this thing's been passed around, we all thought it was. So I guess we'll find out in today's video. But yeah, oh yeah, and if you didn't guess it, it's for sale. That's the main reason for me seeing if it's closed deck or not, because the value. But yeah, let's dig into this pig. As you can see, there was a little bit of an oil leak at some point. Header came off, no problem. The hardware on that stuff was actually very, very good shape. But yeah, let's flip it over and get the intake manifold off. Got the intake manifold off. All of the many vacuum hoses and wires. Now to start taking the valve cover off after obviously the coil packs and pull the head. As you can see, the cam's look in pretty good condition. I don't see any abnormal scoring, nothing like that. Let's pop these things off, then the heads. Alright guys, so sorry for the mess. I figured maybe a little bit of a explanation Jesus Christ, is in order for why I'm selling this. A while ago, I had a video on how I had all these plans to do other things. Maybe put this motor in something else. The plan for that has changed. I played around with the idea of not struggling on camera, but taking all the bits of the Forester, the NA motor, rebuilding that, putting it into the orange car, so maybe I would have a slight chance on actually racing. Because, want to hear some shit? 5 years ago today, I picked this thing up. I took it for a little ride about 2 years ago when I was at the other shop. And since then, a lot of things happened. Between moving, motivation, that's been a killer for me. Just a lot of stuff. I've decided to put my spare untouched motor. Did I not do that one? Maybe I did. My spare untouched motor into this, and seeing if I can drive it reliably for a season on stock motor, because this thing still smokes. It's either the heads or the piston rings. I'm not entirely sure. There we go. I thought I fixed everything. Apparently not. So the game plan is going to drop everything, literally. No, but stock motor, stock turbo motor into this. Hopefully get a year out of it next year. I've said this too many times. I want to get 3 events. I want 3 hill climbs and a couple rally crosses out of this thing next year. Forester's off the road because that thing has issues. I don't want to fix it. Too much money into that. And that's why I kind of decided to not put that stuff into this. Checking this out to see if it is closed deck or not. I guess we'll know in a minute because I'm kind of prolonging it. But yeah, that's why I'm trying to make some room, sell this with confidence, knowing what the motor actually is. I know it's a version 1 or version 2 WRX EJ20G. Beyond that, I need to know. That's why I'm pulling the head. So I'm going to pull this head, pull the other head, pull the pan off, get rid of the oil filter, condense it all, and probably get some Taco Bell. But with all the rambling, let's pull the head off and see what we find. The head bolt's out. Going to pull it. Nothing else. It's... Oh, okay. Okay. Moment of truth. I mean, I guess I gotta pull the head gasket. It is not. Damn, that sucks. This whole fucking time. Yeah, whatever. Well, I'm not gonna lie, kind of disappointed. I've been told many, many times over that this was a closed deck. And, it's not. Well, fuck. Whatever. I guess I'll continue to break this down and I'll list things up accordingly and try to fucking sell it. But yeah, well, that's it for today. I'm just going to pick away at this. Nothing you guys even want to see. But yeah, thanks for watching and check back later. Bye.